friends, today we are going to talk about how we can create document processing status in OpenText Vim, how we can create that. So first thing is you have to go to SM30 table, okay, and here this is the view we are going to use, and here you have to click on maintain. Okay, so I'm in a QA environment, and if I click display, and from here you can see, from here it will determine they will stop the workflow or not. Okay, so if you notice, if you have worked in Vim, when you have document created, means that the invoice document has been created, it will end the workflow. Like rescan complete, it will stop the workflow, end the workflow. Same with confirm, duplicate, obsolete. So from here you can determine what, and if you want a particular work item text, you can give from here. Okay, so in this way you can create work item text for this type of stuff. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And if you like, share and subscribe to it, and have a great